Hi, I'm from Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to add media into Fusion in DaVinci Resolve, step by step. Whether you're enhancing your project with advanced effects or overlays, this guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Step 1. To work with your media properly in Fusion, right-click on the clip in the timeline and select New Fusion Clip. Doing this will consolidate your media into a single Fusion-ready clip, even if it's been cut in the timeline. Step 2. Now head over to the Fusion tab. Here, you'll see a MediaIn node, which represents the clip you just added. This node clearly shows the in and out points for the specific section of your video. And that's it! You've successfully added media into Fusion and can now start creating stunning effects. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.